Good morning.
Good. Just wanted to do a quick sync-up about this week's code push.
Okay. Yeah.
In particular, I had a couple questions because we wanted to communicate some of those things out to the partners.
Okay.
This week.
Yeah.
So I just want to make sure I understand all the details.
Okay. So you are looking at the release notes.
That's the first one. I need to go. I can't remember what I called it.
Go live release notes should take you there.
Yeah, right. So it's not that the easier one. So what are the restrictions for the like and dislike of live streaming events?
I need to find the details.
This hasn't actually been pushed out yet because
It's just starting now.
Okay.
So by evening it should be live. So okay, description is not very helpful. So I remember a discussion about this. Basically, for a video, people cannot do like or dislike until the video is actually live.
Okay. Right.
But for live streams, even if the event hasn't started yet, if the title is objectionable, then we should be able to flag that.
Okay.
I think this is
so
what
like
it does.
Basically, we're allowing users to like or dislike an event as long as it's been scheduled.
Yeah, let me make sure that's the case. If it's a live stream and not, no, we not allow content except for our fill template. Okay, this prohibits like dislike if the event is not live now. And here, okay, it's the same thing. Okay, sorry. So the information I gave is not the CL. So I don't know if it's a different one. So here, what he's doing is essentially, if the event is not live yet, then you cannot do like or dislike.
Okay, so it's the first thing you said.
Yeah.
Okay, and then once the partner has actually started broadcasting, that's when like and dislike will be enabled.
Yes.
Okay, that's good.
Oh, okay. So it's actually a restriction on the like and dislike too.
Correct.
You're not able to do anything until it starts.
Correct.
Got it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Is there a restriction once the event ends?
The check that's being done here is whether the event is live now. So if the event closed out, then again it should not be allowed.
Cool. That's good to know.
Or will it pass through all those likes and dislikes to the VOD if it's archived?
It is essentially the same video ID, so I expect that to be. Yeah.
Okay, cool. And then I didn't understand the one after either. The change self-service events default from 26 to 34.
This is.
Oh, those are iPads. Okay.
Yeah. So iTags correspond to the video quality that you see, either 480, 360, or 240. So the previous format we are using is actually not a supported format.
Okay.
So now we are changing it to a supported format.
Okay.
But users shouldn't be directly affected by it. But because of this switch, there are a few things that you should be aware. One is if the users already created a live event, that will have the old format, right? And today, after this push goes out, any event they create will have the new format.
Okay.
But if they edit any old event, it will automatically convert to the new format.
Okay. Will the old format event still be able to play?
So as long as they haven't changed the format, meaning as long as they haven't edited the format. So when you create a, let me show you this thing. They create an event, right? So this is so what happens is if you save the event, it creates the RTMP URL that they use for ingestion.
Yep.
And if you notice, this says itag 34,
Okay.
which is the new one.
Got it.
So the old one will have 26.
Okay.
So before they start the event, they come here and edit the event.
Yeah.
In the database, it automatically gets converted to 34.
Okay.
But there is one thing you need to be aware, is that this is currently a static page. So this URL doesn't get updated.
Okay.
So if they did an edit and the event gets updated to new format, but they use this one directly,
It'll still copy 26.
It will copy 26.
Okay, which means it will not work.
It will not work.
Okay.
But if they refresh the page, it gets refreshed to the new one in the database. Or if they go to the channel page where they can do preview, it will always get the fresh one.
Okay.
So in all other cases, it will work correctly.
Okay. Okay, got it. That's kind of tricky. It's kind of one-off though, because I guess it only affects events this week. But
will it affect an event like Willow TV? Although they're doing multiple bit rates.
Yeah, they're premium users.
Right, right.
So this doesn't affect them.
Okay. Okay, we should.
We're gonna have to keep an eye on that.
Yeah, I'll send out a message in the bulletin today about that. So
That's gonna be kind of important.
Yeah. All they need to do is refresh the page, or do it from the channel.
Refresh the page and then put those settings into the encoder.
Right. So the only thing that changes is the RTMP URL
And the stream.
Correct. Yeah,
Oh,
stream,
the stream name.
stream name also has that
34.
tag in there.
Okay.
Yeah, and I think this should affect very few people. And I think most people, if it doesn't work, they will try it again, and then it will work. Because if we come back to the page again, it will get it fresh from the DB.
Okay. But they need to know to recopy the URL.
Correct.
So, okay, cool.
Yeah.
So I'll basically say like this could cause it to not work, and the fix is to get the new URLs for our TMP and the stream name.
Yeah, just fresh. Yeah.
Okay, cool. Awesome. So I'm just moving. So what qualifies as an edit? Is it if they actually click like video settings or edit the
anything on this page and click save?
Okay, got it.
Yeah, as long as you click save, it should be.
But if they had something scheduled and all they did is start broadcast,
That's fine.
They wouldn't actually change anything.
They won't change anything, so that's fine.
So okay. Cool. That makes sense.
So
a lot of updates.
so the enable recording for premium events outside of debugging.
It hasn't gone in. It's
It's not okay.
yeah. So
'Cause I tested it out. It actually works. I haven't done very thorough testing like with multiple bit rates or anything like that.
so the push cutoff is 9 o'clock.
Today.
Yeah. So it hasn't gone in.
Okay.
We can push it if we think it is good. I mean, it is
That's
good
premium
to.
only. Right?
Yeah, it's for premium recording. I think it's fine. I don't
So
know if
do
we'll
we
probably.
need to get it out today, or so there are two basically things to consider. One is it good to go? And second thing is, should it go this week?
I think. I mean, it's not a real important student for you.
Okay. So in the
I
case,
don't think it is.
Most premium events have their own
They're
recording of
usually,
some sort.
yeah, they're usually done by some third party.
okay. So in the broadcast, they also record.
I think our group should probably do a little bit more testing.
Okay.
I was just doing a really quick stuff with a
Sure.
1-bit range.
Sure.
And I had some suggestions on
Yeah, I think this. So Rodrigo did this, and then it's pretty much ready accepting for you. Saying okay, so
and then removing the code, we should expect to no longer see the Pro Module Live tab.
Yeah, so that's the one like I definitely need details around because I need to make sure that's communicated clearly. How many partners do you think this affects?
I'm not sure. Actually, Lewis has he's created a tool that will actually list the old Pro Module users.
Okay.
So that we can contact them.
yeah, he was guessing it should be around 20 years. So.
So that's not too bad, but it's still good to message it to them. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
So basically, here I actually started a doc on this, so we can just look at it. It's
Sure.
based on your email, but
Okay.
Go/5
yeah. Okay, so so this is what they used to see, right? This one, this is what they would used to see if they had access to the core module.
Yes.
And that's the extra checkbox in admin, right?
No. That's on the channel page.
No, I mean the getting access to the core module is via the second live streaming checkbox.
The premiere. Yeah, the advanced live stream.
Okay. So this is going away, and now it's just getting rolled into the actual one. Okay.
The live stream events.
Okay. Okay, and so only partners that have the advanced capability will see this part of it, right?
Yes.
Because everything else will look exactly the same for all other partners.
Right.
Got it. And that's pretty much it, right?
Yes.
Got it. Capability wise, it's all the same feature set.